Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. How does dip angle varies as someone moves from magnetic equator to the pole? तो इसके अंदर जो की कॉन्सेप्ट है वो है की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा एंगल ऑफ डिप। सबसे पहले हम एंगल ऑफ डिप की डेफिनेशन समझ लेते हैं। एंगल ऑफ डिप, एंगल ऑफ डिप इज द एंगल बिटवीन magnetic field vector and horizontal plane. Let us suppose this is the horizontal plane and this is the direction of the magnetic field. This is the direction of the magnetic field. So this angle between the horizontal plane and the magnetic field direction is known as angle of dip. Now let us understand the angle of dip in context of the Earth's magnetic field. This is the Earth. I am drawing the Earth. This is Earth. This is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. They are geographical north and geographical south. We know that the magnetic poles of the Earth are opposite. This is the south magnetic pole and this is the north magnetic pole. Let us draw the magnetic field lines due to the Earth's magnet. As we know that the magnetic field lines always starts from the north pole and enters into the south pole. So we can draw our magnetic field lines like this. This is the magnetic field lines, Earth's magnetic field lines. Direction of the magnetic field lines is from north pole to south pole. This will be the direction. This is the direction. Now let us understand the angle of dip. Let me first draw the horizontal plane at the north pole. This is the magnetic north pole and this is the direction of the magnetic field lines. Here we can simply see that this angle between the horizontal plane and the magnetic field line is 90 degree. So here we can say that the angle of dip is equal to 90 degree at magnetic north pole. Now let us move away from the magnetic north pole. This here if we draw the horizontal plane, this is the horizontal plane and this is the direction of the magnetic field. So this will be the angle of dip. Again the horizontal plane can be drawn like this and this is the direction of the magnetic field. This is the direction of the magnetic field. So this will be the angle of dip. As we see that this angle of dip is decreasing as we move away from the magnetic north pole and here at the equator. This is almost parallel to the horizontal. So we can say that at theta will be equal to 0 degree at equator. Now let us draw the horizontal plane here. This will be the horizontal plane and this is the direction of the magnetic field. So I can write that this will be the angle of dip and this angle is lesser than 0 degree as we move away from the equator. This angle of dip is going below 0 degree. So this will be negative. Again, if I draw the horizontal plane here, this will be the angle of dip and let me draw finally the horizontal plane at the south pole. This will be the horizontal plane and this is the direction of the magnetic field. So this will be the angle of dip and this is nothing but minus 90 degree. This angle of dip is minus 90 degree. So I can write that theta is equal to minus 90 degree at magnetic south pole. So from here we can conclude and write our final answer. That the angle of dip is equal to 90 degree at magnetic north pole. It starts decreasing and decreases up to equator and becomes theta equal to 0 degree at equator. 0 degree equator. Again it will increase in the negative side, so the theta will become minus 90 degree at magnetic south pole. At magnetic south pole. Thank you so much.